Hello students, good morning. How are you all? I welcome you all for today's class. Today we are going to see a composition diary entry. Please take your composition note. We will write the composition today. Okay children? So diary entry, a diary is a written record of personal experience, thoughts and feelings. It can be considered as a friend with whom you can be yourself and share your intimate thoughts and emotions. Okay, already I taught you the informal letter. Whatever the emotions and thoughts, whatever you have, you share through the letter to your friends for the personal. Okay, but this is the diary. And you have to treat a diary as your friend, and whatever emotions you have, whatever thoughts you have, if you visit any places, interesting places or interesting person, whatever it may be, you just treat a diary as your friend and write in the diary. Okay, we'll see how to write in the diary. Okay children, and you can keep a daily record of the people you meet, the exciting things that you do at home or at school, or the memories of a holiday or commonplace everyday events, whatever it may be, that day you just share everything, the emotions, thoughts, whatever it may be, you write. You just treat the diary as your friend and write everything in the diary. Okay, that some ideas and points we have how to write a diary. We'll see that. Okay. And diary entry, first you just keep ready with your composition note, or else you write in the paper. After that you can copy down in the composition note. First just listen what I am saying. Okay. And a variety of diaries are there in the market, and some diaries it has a date printed on all pages, but some diaries it is not there, but we have to make a note of it, the date, time, whatever it may be at the right side. Clear children? So first point we have to keep it in mind is write the diary in the first person, I or we, since this is your personal story or personal account of the event. And second point, write the event in the correct order. Third point, provide important detail of the place, time, people or things that were part of the event. Fourth point, write about your feeling in detail and explain why you feel that way. And fourth point, you can draw or stick pictures to make the entry more interesting. Okay, and if you want to stick some pictures there also, you can stick there. You can draw or stick pictures to make the entry more interesting. You may use simple or informal language. Avoid slang writing and all. That is, you just treat that as a friend, no? You just write, okay, in a simple language. And for example, we'll see, and before that you just take ready with your note. First, this corner, this corner first, you just take this corner and draw two lines. The center line, you can write diary entry. Diary entry. Yeah. So this side, and here we'll write some points here. Diary entry, write everything in the note. Diary writing in a very personal form of writing. There are writing a diary. This corner, okay. So next, features. Whatever I am writing now on the board, you write everything in the composition note, children. Features of diary entry. So first, the definition is a diary writing in a very personal form of writing. Diary writing is a very personal form of writing. There are no hard and fast rules for writing a diary. Okay. So next, features of diary entry. First point, a diary entry must begin with the day and date. It is mentioned right at the beginning a diary entry must begin with the day and date. It is mentioned right at the beginning at the top left corner. Top left corner. So next point, continue. Okay. So what I am writing, this is the features of diary entry. So the point you are writing, a diary entry must begin with the day and date. It is mentioned right at the beginning at the top left corner. Clear? So next, second point, it is written in an informal style. Informal, whatever emotion, thoughts, whatever you have, you write in the diary. Okay. So this is informal style. And third point, the descriptions are vivid but brief. Fourth point, the ideas expressed are written in well thought out paragraph. Fifth point, it may be conclude by signing first name. Okay, we will see again, children. Features of diary entry. A diary entry must begin with the day and date. It is mentioned right at the beginning at the top left corner. Second point, it is written in an informal style. The description is vivid but brief. The ideas expressed are written in well thought out paragraphs. It may be concluded by signing first name. Okay. So just you keep it in mind that this is the features of diary entry. So the example will write, you turn the next page and this side, so you just think this is a composition of this side. Okay, first you copy down this and turn to the next page. This side, what I am going to write now, you just copy down the question here and the explanation, the diary entry will write this side. Okay, children. Shall I write this? First we will divide the note, okay, this side I am going to write the question. Same as it is you have to follow, okay. So the center, diary entry. Shall we write a question now? First you ask, you just start in the middle, after this is the third line, after this fourth line you start in the middle. You are Mohit of class 6 today. Today in the assembly, you were declared the head boy. You were declared the head boy of your school. Head boy of your school. Write a diary entry to express your views. So this side you have to copy down the question, children. Okay. So and here we are going to start the diary entry, ma. Same as it is in the middle. Diary entry. Here. So already we saw in the left corner. Diary entry. What? The diary entry must begin with the day and date. It is mentioned right at the beginning at the top. Okay. So here. Wednesday. The next line, 16th October 2020. The next line, 8 a.m. Clear? One by one. So next, dear diary, the next line, dear diary, comma, the next line, one by one. Dear diary, the next line, today was a marvelous day for me. I have achieved most important I have achieved the most important goal of my life. It is goal of my life. It is like a dream come true. Continue, ma. It is like a dream come true. I feel like I am on the seventh heaven. In the special assembly, held today, the name of the head boy was to be announced. I was quite nervous as I was among one of the other contenders for the post. My happiness was infinite when the principal announced my name as the head boy. The competition was tough. And my opponents were equally talented. The preparation for the interview was a tough job, but I'll rub your I hope you are all writing in your composition note. Yes, children? So, okay. Tough job, but my hard work, and confidence paid off. I feel the phrase. I feel I have achieved. I have achieved the post for which many students strive and face failure. That is, many students are participated, but I have the confidence that I have achieved. Okay, this is the meaning for this paragraph, children. I feel I have achieved the post for which many students strive and face failure. Yeah, the next line, the next line in the middle, I understand the responsibilities. See the spelling of responsibilities, children. Responsibilities of being the head boy. I wish to complete my term successfully. So the next line, Mohit, your sign, first name. That's all. Okay, I understand the responsibilities of being the head boy. I wish to complete my term successfully. The next line, Mohit. Okay, children. So the example I have given, I taught you how to write a diary entry, and the example also we have written, children. So you just follow what I said. Okay. So this is the composition note in the sense. This side, the what? Question, and this side you can continue. You follow whatever I said. Okay, children. So the example I have given, and whatever the feelings, emotions you have, you write as the diary as your own. Okay, children. Okay, thank you. We'll see in the next video. Thank you.